Well, I was thinking it might be good to do some chance musique on a Monday, so let's jump right in. So my normal piano tutorials are on every Thursday, but today I thought it would be a good opportunity to do some extra music making on a chord progression. Now I'm going to choose out of a hat here a chord progression that we can then create an improvisation on. But let's dive right in and grab out a progression. Okay, here we go. So B flat, F and G minor are our chords. Okay, so let's have a little bit of a play with those. So B flat, we can do them in our root position or maybe down here with our F, B flat and D in that position. So that's called root, first, second inversion, B flat. And then F next, so we'll step here to an F root and then stepping to a G minor. So let's have a little look at these inversions. So if we start on a second inversion, we could then flick it around up to root position. That kind of would be nice. And then F, first inversion, then to G minor. And bubble away. So B flat, F, maybe up. Lift up to that G minor there. That might be really nice. So let's keep going higher and higher. Then we could come down. So just simply by ascending and descending, we can create a beautiful little tune over those chords. Now, how about we try adding a running bass? So our B flat, we could go across the octave. We could have a downward tune like that, or we could go a B flat anywhere you want to do it, an F, and G minor just in the root position there. We could also bring that up into like a bit of a arpeggio over into the right hand and G minor. B flat, F, all the way there. Another option that we could work with is by having quavers going in both hands. So we could break this chord here, maybe just take the top two notes and do a bit of a broken chord there. Break those thirds again. Now if we want to add the left hand as well, we could go. Take it up higher, which I love. Here we go again. One more time. So have fun with that. Mix up all of those ideas and add some of your own as well. And I'll catch you in the next video.